found an old steamer trunk right here. I found it in the trash. Someone was throwing it away. I mean, it's rusty, it's a little beat up, but I love this kind of stuff. I want to use it as a coffee table, but I'm not a big fan of the rust. The whole entire steamer trunk is just metal. I mean, it's straight up metal. I thought it was going to be all wood. I have another one that's all metal too, and that one's a war one, but I'm not sure why this one is. I don't believe it's a war one. But anyways, it's very rusty. I want it gone. And found this stuff. It's called, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's called Muriatic, whatever acid, right there. And I'm just gonna brush it on, and they say it takes like 5 to 10 minutes to completely clear off all the rust. So I'm just gonna see if it works and let you guys see if it works too. Alright, I waited about 5 minutes. Actually looked like it took some rust off without even me doing anything to it. If you look, looks like it's a green color. My trunk, as you can see, like this is more green. Here's the rust. There's no rust there, right? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm actually just gonna take a scrub brush and some water and then a rag afterwards. Just gonna scrub it down. Kind of get up the rust particles and then wipe it right down, and hopefully all the rust will be gone. So let's go find out. Boom, there's some of the green paint. That's what color I'm assuming it was originally. And then the metal and some more rust. So I am gonna still do another layer, but as you see, the rag is pretty nasty, and it will leave streaks, you know, like that. So you may have to dunk it in a few more times, and you will have to get more water, more clean water, so it's a lot easier for you. Check that out. Crazy. And here's, you can see it not eating away at the paint, because this is the paint right here, and all where that's where all the rust was at. There's still some there, but it's looking good. Now, I kind of messed up. If you have something like this, it's a cardboard thing. I have no idea what it is. It was there, but as you see, I kind of messed up, and I hit it a few times. I kept one of the pieces there. It's over there somewhere, but I nicked it, and now it's soggy. So you gotta really watch. So be careful of that. But as you see, this is pretty solid. I mean, that to me is clean. Depending on what kind of collector you are, I know me. I'm gonna do one more coat. But if you want that rustic still look to it, and you still want metal look to it, you got it. For me, since I want it to be a table, I'm going to try to get it as clean as possible, so I am going to do one more layer. But this, to me, that's amazing. That is truly amazing. Again, all it is this stuff right here. That's it. And I'm going to do the whole thing. I'm still going to do the full video, so if you want to keep watching, you can. To see the outcome, I will have some before and after pictures at the very end, so you can always skip to the very end as well, but I'm going to just keep on going.